My name's Lexi Yoo. I'm a nurse practitioner from Indiana, and I'm super excited to partner with ACAM and SOPMED because I will be focusing on the aesthetics part. So you can't have vitality, wellness, and anti-aging without obviously looking and feeling good. So I get to bring my experience as a national injector trainer, and I'm going to be focusing on using growth factors, autologous growth factors, and how we can pair that with peptide therapy for optimization of growth hormone, weight loss, longevity, increasing lean body mass, increasing metabolism, assisting with fat loss, as well as what we can use topically on our skin, what we can use just for long term without incorporating a bunch of extra toxins in the environment. So that is going to be super exciting. On the second day, I'm very excited to share my experience with utilizing the growth factors and ways that I can demonstrate how to improve hair growth. I'm going to share my hair growth restoration protocol, which we've been extremely successful pairing that with peptide therapy as well as PRF, or again, even the autologous growth factors, using peptides as well for skin, and then showing how to demonstrate the injection protocol for that. So I am super excited to do that and hoping that more providers will understand not only helping their patients feel good on the inside, but looking good on the outside, and how you can do that for your patients.